Hi everyone. So today we are touring this four-bedroom fully detached home here in Shangotedo area of Ajah, Lagos, Nigeria. Now, this is a beautifully finished four-bedroom home. You clearly see the car park space can take up to 3 cars conveniently. And when I stepped inside, I see a well-finished home, spacious. You absolutely love this for your family. All right. So if you're new to my channel, you quickly want to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and let me know what you think of this amazing home. You have your floor to ceiling windows, super airy home, good ventilation, good light, good natural light, right? You absolutely love this home. So let's take a quick tour. Okay, so this is what we have here in this compound. You have your car park space that can conveniently take 3 cars. And you have this simple design here with the floor to ceiling transparent windows. Just a very simple design, yet functional. So let's step inside and let's see what we have right here. So you have your door right here that welcomes you home. Of course, it comes with a biometric. Then just right here, you have your primary living area. You have this beautiful primary living area. You've got your TV console. Trying to give you like a 360 view of the living area. So you come right here, you see what we have. So just by this place, you have your powder room. Have your powder room just right here. And just by my right, we'll have the visitor's room. Clearly see that this developer was generous with the window. So this is what we have here as the visitor's room. Of course, it comes with its ensuite bathroom. You have your walk-in shower just right here. So let's go see what the kitchen looks like. So this is what we have here for the kitchen. You've got your island just in the middle and it's embedded with a wash hand basin as well. Clearly see that you have your 5 burner gas cooker. You have your heat extractor. We also have the microwave and the oven. Of course, there's a space for your double door freezer. So this is what we have here. That door leads you to the backyard. And we also have this space here for your pantry. All right. So with that, we can go upstairs. Let's see what we have upstairs. So you have your sensor lights just by the staircase. So when you come upstairs, you have this space here for your family lounge, and it has a TV console. You also have this floor to ceiling window just by the staircase, enabling more natural light and proper ventilation into the home. So this is your family lounge. And just by this corner, we have one room here and the other room just right here. So let's check them out. So you have your wardrobe just right there. So this is what we have here for this room. And it comes en suite. You have your walk-in shower just right here. So the other room is just across. So this is what we have. Have your walk-in shower just here. Okay. So we've got the masters as the last room to view. So this is the masters. Oh, I love the volume of light entering into this space. So this is what we have as the masters. You have your TV console just right there. Spacious room, I must say. So this is it. Just right here, you have your walk-in closet. Have your walk-in closet. By my left is where you have your bathroom. Amazing. So that's your walk-in shower. You've got your bathtub right here. Okay. And your balcony is here. So this is what your balcony looks like. And from here, you can oversee your neighborhood. So you see this is a fully residential area. This is a fully residential area. So let me know what you think of this home. If this looks like what you want, this property is 200 million naira, a 4-bed fully detached home here in Shangotedo, Ajah of Lagos. My number will be right there for you to call if you would like to see what this home looks like in person. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.